In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable automatic media file scanning on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu and search for settings. Best result, check back with settings here. Open that up. On the left panel, go down and select where it says ChromeOS settings. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down where it says disable automatic media file scanning for all partitions to optimize battery life. You want to toggle this to the right to enable that. You may have to restart your computer, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.